Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset and repair your Xiaomi TV remote control. So if you want a guide on how to reset your remote control for a Xiaomi TV running on the Amazon Fire OS, then check out our other video titled how to reset remote control for Xiaomi F Pro TV. Because this kind of remote is reset in a slightly different way than other Xiaomi remote controls, but the first step, however, is pretty much the same, which is unplugging your TV from the power source. And once you unplug your Xiaomi TV from the power source, you're gonna have to remove the back cover of your remote control and then remove both alkaline batteries from it. And once you do that, press and hold the power button on your remote control for about a minute or longer. Just keep holding it down and wait for a minute or 2 minutes if it doesn't work at the first time. And after you've been holding the power button for a minute, place the batteries back into the socket of your remote control and then plug your TV back into the power outlet. And wait until your TV is switched on, or switch it on using the physical button on your Xiaomi TV. Okay, and once your TV is turned back on, to pair your remote control back with it, you're gonna have to press the home button, which looks like a circle, and the menu button, which looks like 9 dots, or on some remote controls it also usually looks like a dashboard, if I'm not mistaken. But both of the buttons are located on the sides beneath your D-pad on these Xiaomi remote controls. So basically you're gonna have to press your both buttons like this, and just press and hold them for a couple of seconds. Then you're gonna see a notification on your TV screen. Yeah, on my TV it actually enables the talkback, but you're gonna see the notification which will ask you to press both of these buttons once again, and once then you're gonna have to press them once again, and after that the remote control to your TV will be repaired to it. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.